Hello viewers, in this video we are comparing Tecno Spark 40 versus Tecno Spark 40 Pro. So let's start the video and see the details about the smartphones. Software, operating system, updates, body, weight, height, width, thickness, build quality, back material, frame, waterproof, display brightness, display resolution, display type, display size, display protection, platform, RAM, ROM, CPU, GPU, chipset, Geekbench Score, battery capacity, charging speed, camera, selfie camera, video, first smartphone main camera, second smartphone main camera, video, sound, loudspeaker, .5mm jack, sensor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, USB, fingerprint, price, smartphones price, final result. Thank you so much for watching this video.